To part 2 of daily analysis for 30th of August World Current Affairs series. Let's get started. The first news is coming. China-backed AIIB 100 gives China-backed Beijing-backed rather Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank said on August 28 they are going to lend they are going to give a loan of $100 million to Bangladesh so that the country could deal with COVID-19 pandemic. Moderna, a giant in medical industry, has in talks with Japan in talks with 40 million vaccine doses. So it said it is already in talks with Japan and this deal will get through. And moreover, as of it is a vacant candidate mRNA, so it's a giant in RNA, and this time mRNA 1273 will be important, and this is going to be distributed by TAKED and Takeda Pharma. So a New Zealand Stock Exchange is resumes after 4 days after cyber attacks. So question can come, why it closed in the first place? It because of cyber attacks on August 20th, facing disruption. Is again resumed trading, and this time the government said national security system has been activated to support the votes. The New Zealand Stock Exchange. Next news is coming from China. China said to Norway in a very strong messages. The Finance Minister Wang Yi, he said that on a rare visit to Norway, they warned Oslo against granting Nobel Prize to Hong Kong pro-democratic activist. Much on the lines as this was awarded to China's human rights activist in past, Liu Xiaobo, and then Chinese spiritual leader, His Holiness Dalai Lama in past, which constrained bilateral ties between Oslo and Beijing. So basically this time they have given a strong signals, and there was a time when it was not politicized, but Donald Trump also said when it was given to Obama and denied to him, he said everybody knows in the world that how they politicized our Nobel Prize nowadays. So this time let's see who gets the Nobel, but it's going to be very interesting if they give it to some Chinese activist, Hong Kong pro-democratic activists this time. Let's see, the world time will tell. Another news is coming from Coca Cola. It offers to buy out about 4,000 workers on August 28, and it joined a list of US big companies laying off thousands of workers in response to COVID crisis after offering voluntary deals across its businesses. And moreover, both parts have been covered. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.